Y'all can hear the beat? Okay. Alright, I'm a flow. Okay. Okay. I've been the band is the fast and the furious. Bitches so goofy. They asking what year it is. Cops pull me over, but they acting curious. I might just go on the chase, and that's period. I guess I can blame blame it on meds that I drink. I hear that. I hear that register when and I think I hear that register soon as I hear that register soon as I think it's a different song. So it ain't gonna fully make sense. As soon as I think envision money as soon as I blink. This world is so cold. I bought me a mink. That's 8 bars. Okay, alright. So that's our first verse, right? Let's hear how it sounds. Hear how it sounds. Yeah, 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 yeah. Gotta catch back around. Oh shit, we got 7 more minutes. So we still gotta come up with the chorus in the second verse. Alright. Yeah. Hop in the Benz of the Fast and the Furious. Bitches so goofy, they asking what year it is. Cop pull me over, they acting curious. I might go chase, none of that period. I guess I blame it on meds that I drink. I hit the register as soon as I think. Envision the money as soon as I blink. The world is so close, so I bought me a mink. Yeah. Okay, so that's my first verse. Okay, let's find the hook. Run up the hundreds on. Run up the hundreds is a little generic. Run up the hundreds. Let's say flaming hot. Let's say flaming hot because I got flaming hot Cheeto. Flaming hot. Nah, they know I'm flaming hot. And then my man and they know I'm flaming hot. They know I'm flaming hot. Because flaming hot is my title. I want to make sure it's prominent in the chorus. They know I'm flaming hot. They know I'm flaming hot. Like I was straight out the pot. They know I'm flaming hot, like I was straight out the pot, Okay, that's my chord. Like I was straight out the pot, Yeah, okay. They know I'm flaming hot, like I was straight out the pot, flaming hot, like I was straight out the pot, Got a Rari and I pull it straight out. All right, got a Benz. Pull that bitch straight off the lot. Okay. Gotta be yeah. Gotta be put that bitch straight out the lot. Okay, let's go into our second verse. Okay. So our second verse, we kind of want to. Say, my bitch left me for broke. Fuck it. My bitch left me for broke. Fuck it. I'm coming back again and old school bucket. Seats is brown. Latoya Lucky. TJ Duckett is a running back. I can't use that. Like TJ Duckett. I ain't no ball player. I ain't no ball player. My hit up the mall. My head up the mall. Ball player. You. Oh shit. I got 4 more minutes. You niggas is small player. My jersey hang. My jersey hang on the wall. Players. I'm rocking Gucci, Louis, and Prada. You know, some little small layers. Niggas, money ain't tall. Money ain't tall. They stacks look like now and later. I don't know. 3 more minutes. They stacks. Look like now and later. Okay. Oh, this is bro fucking TJ. Okay. I ain't no ball player. I might hit the mall later. I ain't no ball player. I might hit the mall later. I gotta structure that right. Ball him. I hit the mall later. All of you niggas is small players. All of you niggas is small players. My jersey, it hang on the wall player. I'm rocking Gucci and Louis. Some small layers. See, when stuff don't fit, guys, it's just a matter of taking a syllable or two out. I'm rocking Gucci and Louis. I'm rocking Gucci and Louis, some small layers. Okay, so let's see. Oh shit, we got 2 more minutes. Let's see. This is our song. Let's start from the top. Alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They know I'm flaming hot. They know I'm flaming hot. Like I was straight out the pot. Straight out the pot. Flaming hot, like I was straight out the pot. Like I was straight out the pot. Flaming hot, like I was straight out the pot. Like I was straight out the pot. Got that bitch, pull that bitch right just straight off the lot. Pull that bitch straight off the lot. Hopping in Benz, it's fast and the furious. Bitches so goofy, they asking what year it is. Cops pull me over, they acting curious. I might go on a chasing this period. Guess I can blame it on mess that I drink. Head to the register soon as I think. Envision the money as soon as I blink. The weather's so cold, I bought me a beat. They know I'm flaming hot, they know I'm flaming hot like I was straight out the pot. They know I'm flaming hot, they know I'm flaming hot like I was straight out the pot. Straight out the pot. Flaming hot like I was straight out the pot. Like I was straight out the pot. Got that bitch, put that bitch right there straight off the lot. Put that bitch straight out the lot. My bitch left me broke, but fuck it. I'm coming back in the old school bucket. Seats is brown, Latour, you're lucky. Perk got me throw like TJ Duckett. I ain't no ball player, might hit the mall later. All of you niggas are looking like small players. My jersey hang on the wall players. I'm rocking Gucci and Louis, some small layers. I know I'm flaming hot. They know I'm flaming hot straight out the pot. They know I'm straight out the pot. Flaming hot. Know I've been straight out the pot. Know I've been straight out the pot. Flaming hot. Know I was straight out the pot. Know I was straight out the pot. Got at the Benz and I pulled that bitch straight out the lot. I pulled it straight out the lot. Hey. All right. And that's my 10-minute song, guys. How I came up with that, how I was able to do that, those techniques, how I was able to do that, all those techniques are on the Rap Coach Patreon. How I was able to do that, all of these skills and techniques are skills and techniques that I've internalized over the years, and I've memorized them, and they come quick like this because I've done it so much. All of these techniques, this format, this layout, this structure, this way of coming up with rap music is my tried and true technique, and you will find it on the Patreon. The link is below in the description. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.